Okay, yeah.
Call is now being recorded.
Good morning once again, girls. Girls, good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, you all have done the first page, it seems, right? The warm up. You have completed the warm up? Girls, answer me, please. Have you,
Yes,
okay, you'll have done the childhood memories, the warm up, okay? And this is about a friend in need and how close you all are with your friends. So, you'll have done the first page, that is till why did you climb the wall, is it? Have you done till why did you climb the wall? Till where have you done, Rabia? Rabia?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We have
Till where
done this whole page.
you have completed. So can you tell me in short what is it about the first page?
Yes. In this, the story is all about friends.
Mm-hmm.
Um, One afternoon, and then 3 weeks later, Swaminath and Mani, they both are
Mm.
friends. They Swaminath came to Mani's house and gave a slow whistle. So Mani joined Swaminath, and they started walking to Rajam's house and
Mm-hmm.
thinking that what surprise could Rajam give, because before 3 weeks Rajam has told that if you'll come at this day and particularly on afternoon, then I will give you a surprise.
Okay.
Then they both started to give suggestions to each other that Rajam can give this surprise, or he would be joking to get us to his house. They thought
Mm-hmm.
a lot, and
Okay.
then their thoughts turned to their enemies.
Okay.
Means
So they
then
thought of the enemies and they thought that how we are going to face that enemy and what are we going to do with him, right?
yes,
Then
that their enemies, they had your three enemies' names are given. Um,
oh.
Shankar,
Mm-hmm.
then Shankar,
One
Sariu.
is Somu, right? Somu.
Yes, Somu is
Somu.
also given.
Somu. Then who's the other one?
P and Shankar.
Who is P?
P is also their enemy.
And who's the third one?
Shankar.
Okay. And
The
what about
three are the
Saryu?
enemies.
Saryu? Saryu?
No, that's not a name. That's something.
And Shankar is going to hang by his tuft over Saryu from a people branch. So they're going to hang. They're imagining that Shankar is going to be hanged by the by his tuft. That is his. I think over here, tuft is actually even green grass and it also means hair over here. From a people tree will be hung there. Now this page is over. They stop talking. They stop talking when they reach Rajam's
Yes.
house.
They
Okay.
stopped talking when they reached Rajam's house, but Rajam's house gate was locked. So they
Mhm.
got up through the wall and jumped inside. A servant,
Yes,
then a servant came rushing. Then
running towards him.
yes, the servant asked that why did you climb the wall? What if
Very.
you would fall? And the
Hmm.
servant started asking.
Okay, so from here on we have to continue, isn't it? So, is the
Yes,
wall your property? Mani asked and burst into laughter. But if you had broken your ribs, the servant began. What is that your ribs are safe, are they not? Swaminathan asked ungraciously and laughed. And just a word more, Mani said, do you happen to be by any chance the police superintendent's son? So here what happens is the wall your property? Mani asked, burst into laughter because who had asked him? The servant came running and said, why did you climb the wall? So he's addressing the servant and saying that is the wall your property? Okay, he's asking, Mani is asking, and they burst into laughter because children they make fun, right? So the servant is actually concerned, and he's saying that if you had broken your ribs, then what would have happened? No, So, what is that you? Your ribs are safe, are they not? Swaminathan asked ungraciously and laughed. So, Swaminathan asked the servant, so what is that to you? If my ribs are broken, what is the problem with you? Why should you be worried? He doesn't. So he's saying, but he's saying, your ribs are safe? No, he's telling the servant. So are they not? Swaminathan asked ungraciously and laughed away. So very impolitely, very rudely he asked, and said that your ribs are safe, so why are you bothered? Okay. And just a word more, Money said. Do you happen to be by chance the police superintendent? So Money also laughed, and he said that you say one more word, he's telling the servant one more word, and you just see, like, and he's asking indirectly that are you the police superintendent's son? That you have a right to ask all this. So the poor servant is saying, no, no, he replied. Very well, then Money replied, we have to come to see and talk to the police superintendent's son. Okay, the servant beat a hasty retreat. That is very well then. Mani said, we have come to see and talk to the police superintendent's son. So they are laughing, saying that we have come not to meet you, but we have come to meet the police superintendent's son. And the servant made a hasty retreat. Retreat means he went back. Hasty retreat means in a hurry. Okay, so girls, if you don't understand anything, just let me know. Rabia, did you understand till here?
Yes,
Rabia?
ma'am, can you please go slowly?
Okay, I'm going a bit fast, isn't it? Okay. So what happened? The servant, when they climbed the wall, the servant was concerned. Okay. So he asked that, like, why are you jumping over that wall? So what does Money say? He asked very rudely. He's saying that this is your property. This is not property. This doesn't belong to you, isn't it? So the boys, he was having a laugh. Money was actually laughing at the servant. The servant was really worried and concerned. And he's saying that, but if you had broken the ribs, what would have happened? So Swaminathan says, to the servant, what is it that you asked? What is it that to you? Like, why should it bother you? It is my body, my ribs. If they are broken or not, why should you be concerned? Your ribs are safe. No, you are all right, isn't it? So are they not? And then Swaminathan asked ungraciously, that is very impolitely, and laughed. And he says, just one more word, Money said. And what will happen? And then he says, don't say one more word. He's telling the servant. He's warning that just a word more. And you see, like sometimes we tell, we want your brother or sister or somebody that, oh, just a word more, and you just see what happens, isn't it? Do you all understand, children?
Yes,
Okay. So do you happen to be by any chance the police superintendent's son? He's asking again, are you the police superintendent's son to ask us all this? So the servant, poor thing, he's saying, no, no. He replied, and he said, no, no, I'm not a police superintendent's son. Okay. Very well then, replied Money. We have gone to see and talk to the, we have come to see and talk to the police superintendent's son. So Money is saying that we have come to see the police superintendent's son. So what happens? Very well then. Okay. So the servant, he beat a hasty retreat. That is, he went back hurriedly. Okay, in a haste. They banged their fist on Rajam's door. They heard the clicking of the latch and hid themselves behind the pillar. Do you remember when you all were young, or sometimes still also, you all are still young? So what you'll do is, you'll just to make fun, you'll bang on the doors and run and hide somewhere. Sometimes some children are naughty and they bang on the door of the neighbors and then they hide, or they ring the bell and they hide behind the wall or somewhere. And what happens, just to trouble and to make mischief, they do this. So they heard the clicking of the latch and hid themselves behind the pillar. So what did the children do first? They banged their fist. You know what is a fist, isn't it? Girls, do you all know what's a fist?
no, ma'am.
Don't know. So when you close your fingers tight into a fist, that is like a fist of your hand, together. When you join all your fingers together, and that forms a fist.
Yes,
Okay. So they banged their fist on Rajam's door. They banged on the door, Rajam's door, and then they What did they do? They hid somewhere. They heard the clicking of the latch and hid behind the pillar. So there was a pillar there and they went and hid over there. So Rajam peeped out and shut the door again. So they heard the clicking of the latch. Latch means the stopper that is there to close the door or open the door. Okay. So every house and every door has a latch, isn't it? Your doors have a latch. Do you understand? Yes or no? Do you understand that every door has a latch? Girls, I'm asking you all. Girls,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
hear me? So hid themselves behind the pillar and Rajan peeped out and shut the door again. So Rajan peeped out and he thought that somebody must be making mischief or something. He saw nobody and he closed the door again. Now I want one of you to please read the paragraph. They came out. They came out. One of you please read. Or shall I call out the names? Doli Aisha, are you there? Doli Aisha,
Yes, ma'am.
Doli Aisha.
Ma'am, can
Please
I
read
read?
from there. They no, I will tell you one. Everyone will get a chance. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
Doli
ma'am.
ma'am.
Aisha, read. Doli Aisha, read. They came out.
They came out, stood before the door, and wondered what to do. Swaminathan applied his mouth to the keyhole and mewed like a cat. Mani pulled him away and putting his mouth to the
Mouth.
hole, barked,
Putting his mouth to the hole. Huh?
mouth mouth to the hole, barked like a dog. The latch
Latch.
clicked, latch clicked again, and the door slightly opened. Mani whispered to
To
Swaminath,
Swaminathan.
"You to Swaminath, you are a blind kitten. I will be a
Blind kitten. You are
blind
a blind kitten. I'll be a blind puppy. Okay. So here,
kitten."
I will just stop for a moment. I will explain. So, who are the boys who were hiding? Who are the boys who were hiding? Who are the boys who were hiding?
Swaminath and Mani.
Mani and Swaminathan. So what they do like once Rajam closed the door, no, he saw nobody outside, so he closed the door and he went inside. So what did these two do? They were wondering what mischief to do now. So Swaminathan applied his mouth. Applied means he put his mouth near the keyhole, okay, and mewed like a kite. He made the noise of a cat. How does a cat cry? Mew, isn't it? Mewed like a cat. And then Mani pulled him and putting his mouth to the hole barked like a dog. So Swaminathan, he what did he do? He make the noise of a cat. And Mani, he barked like a dog in the keyhole, where they put the key. Okay, they put them out there and they made these noises. The latch clicked again. So again, there was the sound of the latch clicking. That is that stopper that they open from inside, and the door slightly opened. No, this time Rajam opened the door very slightly, not too much. He didn't open. Then Mani whispered to Swaminathan, "You're a blind kitten, and I'll be a blind puppy." So they're laughing amongst themselves and they're whispering to each other because one had made the sound of a cat and the other had barked like a dog. So they call themselves a blind kitten and a blind puppy. I hope you'll understand what I'm saying, girls. Girls,
Yes,
you'll
ma'am.
understand. Okay. Because if you don't understand, please tell me to repeat. I don't mind repeating. Okay. So till here you understood, no, that uh, Swaminathan and Mani, they were playing some pranks on Rajam. They had come to Rajan's house and they are trying to play mischief. So first they banged their fist on the door and they hid behind the pillar. So when Rajam came out, he opened the door, he saw nobody and he shut the door. So again what they did is Swaminathan put his mouth near the keyhole and mewed like a cat. And then Mani pulled him and he himself barked like a dog, made these sounds, strange sounds. And What happened again? Mani opened the door. So here, while they were hiding, Mani whispered to Swaminathan, "You are a blind kitten and I am a blind puppy." Because one had made the sound of a cat and the other that of a dog. So till now you all understood everybody. I'm clear, beta. Girls, if you don't answer me, I cannot proceed. Girls, Dolia, Aisha,
Yes, ma'am.
if you don't understand, please tell me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, okay. The next person I want is eh, Emadani I am Ahmad Bhai. Please,
Amdani Ayman.
yes, please, I want you to read the next paragraph.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read from
Yes,
Money
ma'am.
Fell Down.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read better. Read. Money fell down.
Money fell down on his knees and
Knees better on his knees. Hmm?
hands shut his eyes tight,
And shut
pushed
his head, no,
the
shoot
door
his head.
with pushed
His head.
the
Hmm. Hmm.
pushed the door with his head and entered Rajma,
Rajam's room.
Raj, Rajam's room in the road of a
Blind puppy.
blind, blind
Blind
puppies.
puppy.
Blind
Swaminathan
puppy
crawled
Swaminathan encroached behind him with
behind.
shut eyes,
Shut. Not shoot eyes, better shut eyes.
shut eyes, moving, moving for
For all
all
his worth.
his,
He was worth.
all, all his was
Worth.
what
They moved.
the mood, the
They moved
mood,
around, round and round the
moved
room.
around and round the room like ending to
Rajam adding to the
the
interest of the game,
rest of the game by moving the and baking
mewing
in
in
answer.
answer every few seconds. Beta, you're sleeping or what, beta? Okay, anyway, just complete this paragraph, then I'll explain better. Completed better. The blind puppy. Emadani, please complete the paragraph. Emadani. Okay, Rabia, please complete the paragraph. Rabia, Rabia, are you there?
Swaminath.
No,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is from they moved round and round the. Okay, Swaminathan called. Okay, come on.
Swaminathan
Swaminathan
crawled behind him with shut eyes, mewing,
mewing for.
mewing for all he was worth. They moved
Hmm.
round and round the room, Rajam
Hmm.
adding to the interest of the game by mewing and barking in answer every few seconds. The blind puppy brushed its side against a leg and, thinking that it belonged to Rajam, softly bit the calf muscle. Imagine its confusion when it opened its eyes and saw that it was biting its enemy, Somu. The blind kitten nestled close to a leg and scratched it with its paws. Opening its eyes, it found that it was full fondling a leg that belonged to its enemy Sankar.
Okay, so let me explain from here. All of you pay attention. I might ask you all questions, so be ready. Okay, girls. Okay, now Mani fell down on his knees. So what happened, Rajam? The second time when Mani and Swaminathan made these noises of a puppy and a dog, I mean a baby mewed like a cat and a dog. He opened the door slightly. So what did you see in the picture? They both of them are bent down. Can you see on their knees and their hands? You just see Can you see the picture? Can you see the picture, girls? Girls, can you see the picture? Yeah, please answer
Yes.
me.
Yes, ma'am.
See, you'll have to be serious because I'm going to help Rohan sir to complete this lesson because he's not well. So you'll have to pay attention. Rohan sir might not repeat again. Is that clear, children? Have I made myself clear, girls?
Yes.
Okay, so you'll pay attention. Okay, and if you don't understand, please tell me so that I can repeat again. Now we'll read from there. I mean, I'll explain from there. Mani fell down on his knees. You can see the picture how they are sitting. They are on their knees. You can see both the boys on their knees. That is, he's sitting down on the knees and shuts his eyes. They close their eyes and push the door with their head. So they, they moved inside with the door. The door was opened a little, and both of them, they with their head, they close their eyes, and then they push the door with the head. You can see the picture, girls. Can you see the picture?
Yes.
Okay. So who are they? Swaminathan and Mani. They both are, they go inside behaving as if they are a cat and a dog. And so they move like this, on their fours, and move inside, and they open the door with the head, they are on the ground, and they go inside. So the Mani fell on his knees and hands and shut his eyes tight, pushed the door with his head, and entered Rajam's room in the role of a blind puppy. So what did Mani do? He was acting as if he is a blind puppy, and he moves on his four, you can say four means that is two hands and two knees, and he goes slowly towards Rajam's room. Okay. And Swaminathan crawls behind him. Swaminathan is also, you can imagine that one boy is moving in front, the other one, Swaminathan, is behind him. And he is mewing like a dog. Sorry, mewing like a cat, and Mani is barking like a dog. So they moved inside and they started going round and round the room. Okay, on their all fours. That is the two hands and two knees. They move around. Have you seen children walking on their four? Crawling. Have you seen small babies crawling? Yes or no? Girls?
Yes.
Yes, you'll have seen babies crawling. In the same way, these children, they're pretending to be a puppy and a cat, and they're moving around in the room in a round circle. So Rajam adding to the interest. So Rajam was also interested in the game by mewing and barking in answer. So if one would mew, if Mani would mew, then what would happen? Rajam would reply with a mew, with the sound of a cat. And if Swaminathan would bark, whoever, whichever they were. One was the dog and one was the cat. So if one would bark, then Rajam would answer with a bark. Okay. So, like they were having fun. They were all answering to each other in the noise of the sound of a cat and a dog. Okay. So so they had closed their eyes and they were moving around. So the blind puppy brushed its side against a leg. So they had closed their eyes, so they did not know who was with them. Okay, they had closed their eyes and they were moving on all their fours. And thinking that it is belonged to Rajam, softly bit the calf. Okay, you know what's the calf muscle? Do you all know the calf muscle?
No, ma'am.
No. So you see, your below the part from the knee to the ankle, the part below the knee to the ankle, the part behind the fleshy part. Okay, that is the calf. The fleshy part behind on your back, okay, of the leg, from your knee to the ankle, the part behind, okay, your leg, not the front part, but the back part, which is soft, that is called calf. Okay, so they started moving around. Can you imagine the boys, all of them crawling down and all answering each other in barks and meows? One is saying meow, this other one is also saying meow. Then one is saying bow bow, and the in Rajam is also shouting and answering. I mean, replying by saying bow wow. So the blind puppy brushed its side again. Now, who was the puppy? Who was the puppy? The dog. Who was the dog? Who was the dog? Who
Money.
was Money was the dog. So Money had he did not know, he had closed his eyes, and what happened, he brushed it aside a leg. So he was going moving around, and he closed his eyes, so he didn't know that who was there. So he could feel somebody's leg there, and thinking that it belonged to Rajan, he thought that it was Rajan's leg. So softly bit the calf muscle. So softly bit the so he bit that person. And imagine, in confusion, when it opened its eyes and it was biting its enemy. So what happened? It was not Rajam he was biting, but it was Somu. So the blind kitten nestled close to a leg and scratched it with his paw. So what happened? So the blind kitten, they had closed their eyes, so they called themselves blind. Okay. And nestled means they come comfortably close. The meaning is already given there. So settled and clicked to a leg and scratched it with his paw. That is, scratched it with his paw. Like that the kittens, they have their paw with the nails, like you have seen a cat, right? So they scratched it with his paw. Opening his eyes, it found that it was folding a leg that belonged to enemy Shankar. So what happened? Money, what is Money doing? He nestled close to a leg and he bit it. And who was that person? Whose leg did he bite? Somu's leg. And who was the other enemy? Shankar. Okay. So whoever was the kitten, he went fondling leg. Fondling means he was very nicely, to be very soft and fondling cozy. Fondling a leg, they belonged to his enemy. So it went near another leg, and it was found that it belonged to the enemy Shankar. So, do you understand? See, I'll explain again in simple language that Swaminathan and Mani, they pretended to be blind cats. They closed their eyes, and one of them was a dog, and the other one was the puppy. And they closed their eyes, and they're moving on all their force, that is, on their legs and on their hands, and they're moving around in the room. So Rajam was enjoying it, and he himself was replying to them. If one is mewing, then he will also mew back, meow, meow. And if the other one is barking, he will bark back. So they had closed their eyes, that they didn't know that who was in the room. They had closed their eyes, so they call themselves blind puppy and blind cat. Do you all understand, girls? Girls, do you all understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what happened? You can imagine, no, the two boys, and they are moving on the floor, round and round, making the sound of a dog and a cat. And then they think it's Rajam's leg. So they go to the puppy, whoever's the puppy goes to Rajam, and he bites the calf muscle very softly. He bites the calf muscle. Now, calf muscle is the part of our leg from below the knee till the ankle, and the back part of it, of the leg, which is soft. You know that, all of you all know. Now you can understand what I'm trying to say. Calf muscle. Okay, so he bit it, and imagine his confusion when it's open. And so when it what happened, and when he opened the eyes, he saw it was his enemy Somu, and the blind kitten also. Now the dog had barked Somu, and the one who was the cat came close to another leg. So he just closed his eyes, and he was roaming about. He found, like, he could feel somebody's leg. So he scratched it, with his nails. And then opening, he found that he was fondling, that is, he was touching the leg of his enemy Shankar. Okay. So, girls, did you all understand till here? Yes or no? I want to know
Yes.
very frankly. Girls, all of you all understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tomorrow we'll continue with the other pages, that is the if we have the class. Do we have class tomorrow?
No,
Do we
ma'am.
have class tomorrow? No.
No.
So in the next class, maybe if I get a free lecture somewhere, or if I get somebody's lecture, I'm gonna try to complete this lesson. Okay. So we have to complete as much as possible because we have very less time. Okay. So you all read the lesson and try to understand. And if you haven't understood, please you can ask me questions. Just now, I have to. I think time is up now, so I think you have to have. You have another lecture. Yes, that is science, I suppose. So be prepared with your science, girls.